Is your Ecovacs Deebot T9 acting like it's auditioning for a figure skating team? You hit start, expecting a spotless home, but instead, you find your robot doing endless donuts in the middle of the hallway. The technical cause? It's almost always a faulty wheel module. When the motor or internal gears inside one of the drive wheels fail, that side loses power. The working wheel keeps pushing, which results in that graceful but totally useless 360-degree dance. Ignoring this doesn't just mean your floors stay dirty, you're also risking battery burnout and unnecessary strain on the motherboard. Without a fix, your smart vacuum is essentially just an expensive circular paperweight. But don't worry, Robocare has the solution to get your robot back on the straight and narrow. At Robocare, we don't just fix vacuums, we specialize in them. Our certified technicians have spent years mastering the intricate internal architecture of the Ecovacs lineup, and we know the Deebot T9 inside and out. Once we confirm the diagnostic result of a faulty wheel, we perform a precision repair. We carefully dismantle the unit, remove the malfunctioning drive module, and replace it with genuine components. We don't just swap parts, we ensure the entire drivetrain is calibrated for peak performance, preventing future failures and restoring that factory-smooth navigation you expect. We take pride in bringing these smart helpers back to life with speed and precision. But don't just take our word for it. Let's show you the results. Look at that. After a precision wheel replacement at Robocare, this T9 has found its direction again. No more circles, just flawlessly clean floors and total peace of mind. Hear what our customers have to say about their Robocare experience.
If you have an Ecovacs, a Roborock, or any robot vacuum that's acting up, don't give up on it. Send it to Robocare. They saved my vacuum and most importantly, they saved my sanity. They are professional and fast.
Stop the spinning and start the cleaning. Contact Robocare today. Visit our website or call us to book your repair.